We divide 820 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down these 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 0 and it is 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 820 divided by 5 is 164. So this much for today and thanks for watching.